truffle and roquefort salad.
Very good.
And then the poached scallops with artichoke halves.
Will that be all?
Yes. Then a bag of Monster Munch.
To drink?
It's 12 o'clock, and at this shop in Flair, Mr. Lamb is looking for a book. I read a book once. It was called Who Want...
Sorry, I gripped too soon that time. You may have to hold it.
Now, well, what do you reckon?
How many pages does it have?
312.
Oh, I was hoping for something more along the 306 mark.
Right.
Do you think the author might be interested in rewriting his work to cut it down? Maybe if you cut out all the O's, you might lose 6 pages there.
I don't think so, no.
Maybe I'm being too specific.
You are being a little specific.
Okay. Have you got any books?
Have we got any books?
Yes.